I'm proud to present the Exceptional Physician Award to Dr. Jacob Johnson. Dr. Johnson is a otolaryngologist, head and neck surgeon, an assistant clinical professor at UCSF Health, and an innovator of medical technologies. He is one of the first Exceptional Physician Award winners working in our affiliates network. He has built a robust medical practice with partnerships at UCSF, Marin Health, and Sutter Health. His patients and colleagues appreciate his clinical acumen, his positive attitude and compassionate approach, and his calm demeanor during difficult situations. Whether he's delivering a challenging diagnosis or helping staff improve their clinical skills, Dr. Johnson's patients and staff trust that he's doing the right thing. This trust is sacred to him, said one nominator. He is dedicated to improving equity, inclusion, and opportunities for those around him. In addition to ensuring he hires a diverse staff, he encourages transparency in opposing viewpoints during decision-making discussions. Each year, he hires and trains dozens of high school students from diverse, underserved backgrounds, encouraging them to explore careers in healthcare. Dr. Johnson's practice has been at the forefront of many recent innovations in otolaryngology. He's the medical director of a company that developed a commercial hearing aid that collects movement and heart rate data. He helped pioneer acoustic resonance therapy for sinonasal congestion, bringing in a new therapy through the FDA trial and approval process. And he formed a company to use artificial intelligence to predict poor outcomes for hearing loss and balance patients. Congratulations, Dr. Johnson, on receiving this Exceptional Physician Award.
It is with humility and gratitude that I accept this award on behalf of my colleagues at San Francisco Otolaryngology, my lovely family, and the Department of Otolaryngology and Head and Neck Surgery. The fellow recipients are incredible and are my mentors, colleagues, friends, and personal caregivers. Dr. Daniel Null is my physician, and Dr. Alan Uba cared for my children. Dr. Patrick Hod generously shares his expertise on our head and neck cancer patients. Dr. Linda Riley taught me at the VA and humbly accepted the award by saying she got an award for just doing her job. When Dr. Josh Adler called me regarding the award, I felt the same way. Dr. Mika Varma, a fellow resident nearly 30 years ago, stated that UCSF is a village, a place to care, support, and grow. I see UCSF as a second family, our extended family, a place to learn, a place where our children are born, a place to treat urosepsis for our newborn, a place for my mother's shoulder surgery, a place to innovate, and a place to care for our patients, focusing on respect and excellence. I'm grateful to be a physician at UCSF and in San Francisco. What a privilege to care, learn, teach, and discover together. I'm thankful for all the members that make up this village, the nurses, the students, the clinical and facility support staff, the administrators, the scientists, the providers, and the patients. I'm thankful for David and Brian Schindler to accept me into their father, Meyer Schindler's practice. A quote by Meyer that for me represents our practice, department, and UCSF. You cast bread upon the water, and it comes back sponge cake.
Jacob, it's been a long, strange trip. I can actually remember having our interview together for residency where you recommended an album by Al Di Meola and Jimmy McGriff. It's a great album, by the way. But I'm certainly not surprised that you've been selected for an Exceptional Physician Award. You're a fantastic doctor, always have been, and we really appreciate your contribution to the department and to UCSF. You do a great job in the community. You run a really high quality practice and have great partners. And thank you for your collaboration over the years, and congratulations.